everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing March's Boxycharm, and I will be showing you guys how to get this look and trying out all the products from the box. So before we get into the unboxing, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys would like to see what is in this month's box, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I look a little crazy right now because I am just wearing my foundation and my brows, concealer, and powder, so I look like a ghost. But we are going to go ahead and get into the box. So the theme of this month is vacation. That is so cute. I love the little like tropical vibes we got going on. So the first thing we are going to go into is this product right here. This is the South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels, and this retails for $10. You get 3 gel packs in this little box, and it says, our under eye gels are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They soften and moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed, which is obviously something I need every single day. But I am not going to try these on camera because I felt like that was going to just be kind of a hot mess. And on the back of the box it says, for best results, use for 3 consecutive days. So yeah, we had 3 gel packs in here, so I'm assuming you use it for 3 days in a row. I have a friend's wedding coming up, so maybe I will wear this. Or I mean, like, not to the wedding, but maybe I'll put these on a few days before and see if it does anything for my face. Okay, so the next product we have is this Pure Cosmetics Boxycharm Collaboration Palette, and this retails for $36. It says this transitional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature silky smooth ultra mattes are paired with pretty pinks and a vibrant blue to lighten the mood. Plus you can layer the shimmer shades for a duochrome finish. And I've heard a lot of good things about this palette. It is so pretty. I love these pops of color down here. They just stand out to me so much. And we're gonna go ahead and just dive right into the palette because I need something on my eyes. I look insane right now. I want to do kind of like a nice, like, kind of fun, springy kind of look. I'm wearing pink today, so I don't know. I'm not sure if I want to do this like bright pink right here. Might be a little much, but I might try to go into this color right here. So let's just see what happens. The first shade I'm going to go into is this one right here. It's called Perfect, and I'm actually just going to use this. Woo! There is a lot of fallout in this palette. Wow. Or at least for this shade. I don't know if you guys can see. You probably can't even see that on camera, but there's like a lot of powder that came out. Maybe I just need to go in lightly. That might have been my bad. But I'm just going to use this shade to set my primer. And for my transition, I'm going to go into this orangey shade and this more coral shade and kind of mix the two. This one is called Nakey. That reminds me of, what's it called? Rugrats. Did you guys ever watch Rugrats? And like Tommy would always say like, something about being naked. I don't know. I just think it's really funny. Anyways, so this one's called Naked and this one is called Bella. And I am just gonna mix the two and kind of see what happens. I really like Pure eyeshadows. I think they're really nice and they're kind of like creamy and they tend to blend pretty well, I think. I mean, at least from the ones that I've tried. And so far this is blending really nicely and it's giving me lots of pigment. I just realized I should probably zoom you guys in a little. It's probably hard to see. Hang on. Okay, that's much better. Now you guys can see all the craziness on my face. So I am just using this for my transition color, and then I kind of want to deepen up the look a little bit because I'm not really wanting something like natural. I kind of wanted to do like a full glam kind of thing. So I think I'm going to go into this shade right here. It's called Duet. It's like a deep chocolate brown, and I'm just going to kind of go in lightly because this looks really pigmented, and I'm just going to kind of deepen up the crease lightly. I usually like doing this with every look because I just feel like it brings a lot more dimension to the eyes and it makes everything pop more. And it just looks a little bit better than just like having a transition and a shade all over the lid. And I just realized that we have some brushes that I meant to use and I like totally forgot. So I'm going to stop the eyeshadow look for 1 second and go on to the next product. And we have the Vintage Cosmetics brushes. This is the Smokey Eye makeup brush set. It retails for $23.15 and it says that this brush set trio will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. Use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color all over your lids. Pack a darker color onto the angle shadow brush and work into the creases of your lid and outer corners. The smudger brush can be used to blend the two shades together, or alternatively use an even darker color to accentuate the crease and define your lash line. That was a long paragraph. So we have these 3 brushes. I love it when Boxycharm sends us brushes. I'm pretty sure like at least half of my brush collection are from Boxycharm. And they send good brushes too. They're not just like crappy, like cheap ones. So we have 3 brushes right here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, these are like really soft. I'm gonna go ahead and use this flatter brush right here, and I'm actually gonna spray it with some setting spray. And I'm gonna go ahead and go into the shade right here called Bay. It's this really pretty like bubblegum pink kind of color, and I'm just gonna kind of put that all over the lid and see what happens. This looks more like a satin kind of finish versus just like a straight up shimmer. I love this color. That is so gorgeous. And this brush feels so nice on my eye. I know that sounds weird, but it's like really soft and just like dense at the same time. That's such a pretty color. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do next is go into the shade BFF. I know at first I said, no, I'm not going to use this color, but I am dying to see what this looks like. So I think what I'm going to do is kind of do a gradient with that color and then add more of a smoky tone at the end and just kind of see what happens. So I am just going to lightly go in because I don't want it to be like too pink. And I'm just going to kind of add, okay, it's not that bad. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of that right here, kind of in the outer like third of my eye. I'm going to go into this little angle brush and I'm going to use the shade Boxy Black. It's right here. It does have some glitter in it, but I kind of just want to see how it's going to look if I kind of smoke everything out on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm just going to go in lightly and just kind of smoke it all out on the edge and bring that into the crease. This would probably work better, like this method would probably work better if there was no glitter in the shade, like if it was just a matte shade. But I still like how this is looking. It's a little messy right here, which I will clean up in just a second. And then I'm going to take this brush again, just kind of blend it all together. So I'm going to kind of just take my sponge and clean up just a little right here and right here. That's why I love the angle on the Real Technique sponge, because it just makes it so easy to clean up any edges. I'm going to work on the lower lash line. I'm going to take this really small brush that came in the box. I love these kind of brushes. They're perfect for getting under the lash line and kind of blending everything out. So I think I am just going to kind of mimic what I did on top on the bottom. I'm going to go into that pink shade BFF really lightly and just kind of add a little bit of that to the lash line as close as I can get it. And then I'm going to go in to Boxy Black and kind of blend that in, make it nice and smoky. And then I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush and go into the shade Nikki and Belle, or Bella. And I am just going to kind of blend all that together and diffuse it out. Oh my gosh, my camera, I swear, has been freaking out lately. It kind of just like goes in and out of focus when it pleases. Kind of annoying. Okay, so I like how this turned out. I'm going to do the rest of my eyes off camera, like my eyeliner and mascara. And real quick before I do that, the next product in the box is this Double Decker Mascara by Butter London. And it says that this retails for $20. And then it says get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat and a 314% increase in lash curl. That's very specific. The interlocking nylon fiber brush grasps each individual lash to lengthen, curl, and multiply lashes from root to tip. Okay, so I kind of fail because I have about like 5 mascaras open right now, and I honestly don't need to open another one. So I'm actually going to put this in a giveaway that I'm going to be doing for you guys very, very soon. We're getting close to that giveaway, I promise. And that way one of you guys can try this out and let me know how it is, because you guys, I don't want to be a mascara hoarder, especially because I have so many open already. And yeah, so I'm sorry I'm not going to try this on for you guys, but I'm going to go ahead and go off camera and do my eyeliner and mascara and everything, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I threw on some lashes and eyeliner, and then I went ahead and contoured my face using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I also highlighted using my new Kristen Leanne Urban Decay highlighter palette. My boyfriend got this for me for part of my anniversary gift. I'm like, how do you even know how much I love her and how much I've been wanting something from her collab? Like, he's amazing. Anyways, so the next and final product in the box is this blush by Pretty Vulgar. First of all, can we talk about this packaging? I'm serious, it is so freaking pretty. So anyways, it says that this is the Make Them Blush blush, and this is in the shade Hush Blush. It's just said blush like 15 times. And this retails for $26. It says, Make Them Blush powder awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. This silky smooth formula is long-wearing and highly pigmented. The buildable blush powder can be worn alone or paired for a multi-dimensional pop of color that will flatter any complexion. And I am really excited that I got this color because I think the other option was like a really bright pink, and those kind of colors do not look good on me. But this is really, ooh, it feels like so soft. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's really, really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of do a light wash of color on my face. I don't like a ton of blush, but these are like my favorite kind of blush colors that are just like a mauve-y nude. They tend to look the most flattering, I think. Yeah, that's really pretty. I love that it's just like subtle and not too crazy. It's just adding a hint of color to my cheeks. And it's blending in really nicely with my highlight and everything else. I really like this. I think I'll be using this a lot. It's so pretty. And that is it for the box. I'm going to just go ahead and throw on this nude soft matte lip cream from NYX. It's really hard to talk and do this at the same time. Okay, and that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry if it was a little long. I feel like this was a longer Boxycharm unboxing. But let me know if you guys liked your box this month and what was your favorite product in the box. If you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys are having a great day. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.